Today I visited Clark, Pampanga, and explored the museum and military park. Clark was once a major American air base and played an important role during World War II and in the history of the Philippines. Today, it has become a popular place for tourism, history, and business. It was interesting to see the old aircraft, military display, and learn more about the history of the place. The park was peaceful, and it was a great experience walking around and seeing everything up close. We are now driving through the main street of Clark, surrounded by clean roads, trees, and modern buildings. Along the way, you can see the busy city life, with cars passing by and people enjoying the area from above. The drone shot shows the beautiful views of Clark, including the roads, building, and the popular SM Mall. We are now heading to the Mediterranean Park, a peaceful place to relax and enjoy the scenery. We have now arrived at the Mediterranean Park. The place is quiet, peaceful, and surrounded by beautiful views. You can see the trees, open space, and relaxing atmospheres. There is also plane display here, which add to the unique look of the park and remind visitors of Clark's military history. It is a place nice to walk around, take photos, and enjoy the fresh air. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one. Bye bye.